Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the Miraston 8-point quart air fryer. And if you've got a family or you're tired of cooking dinner in multiple batches, this might be the biggest upgrade you make to your kitchen this year. I've been testing this for 3 weeks, and the capacity difference compared to standard air fryers is absolutely game-changing. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let me start with the problem this solves. You're cooking dinner for your family. You've got a standard 5 or 6 quart air fryer. You can fit maybe 4 chicken breasts, or half a bag of fries, or a few portions of wings. So what do? You cook in batches. First batch goes in, everyone waits. It finishes, you serve those people, then you start batch 2. By the time everyone has food, the first servings are cold. It's frustrating, inefficient, and it makes family dinners feel like a chore. Here's how the Miraston solves that exact problem. With an upgraded 8.5 quart capacity, that's 8 liters, you can cook significantly larger portions in one single batch. I'm talking 6 to 8 chicken breasts at once, an entire bag of frozen fries, a dozen burger patties, or enough wings for a party. Everyone eats together, everything is hot, and you're done in one cooking cycle. No more babysitting multiple batches. But capacity means nothing if you can't see what's happening inside, right? That's where the visual window comes in. This air fryer has a large viewing window built into the top that lets you monitor your food as it cooks without opening the basket and losing heat. Watch your chicken turn golden brown. See your fries crisping up. Check doneness visually without interrupting the cooking process. It's brilliant. And here's a feature I absolutely love: the shake reminder. You know how air fryer recipes always say shake the basket halfway through. Most of us forget, and half our food ends up unevenly cooked. The Miraston actually beeps and reminds you when it's time to shake for even crisping. Every dish comes out perfectly golden on all sides. The square basket design is another smart touch. Unlike round baskets that waste corner space, this square design maximizes every inch. You can fit more food, arrange it better, and everything has room to crisp properly without overcrowding. Here's what really impressed me during testing. I cooked an entire family dinner in one go: 8 pieces of chicken on the bottom, a full pound of Brussels sprouts on top using a rack. Everything finished at the same time, perfectly cooked. With my old 5-quart air fryer, that would have been 3 separate batches. The visual window is such a simple feature, but it transforms the experience. I made homemade donuts and could watch them puff up and turn golden through the window. No guessing, no opening the basket repeatedly. Just visual confirmation of perfection. Let me give you another real example. I loaded frozen French fries straight from the freezer. Didn't even preheat the air fryer. Hit the fries preset button. And 12 minutes later they were crispy, golden, and restaurant quality. The shake reminder beeped at 6 minutes. I shook the basket and everything crisped evenly. The temperature and time adjustments are incredibly useful. The manual knobs give you tactile control. No finicky digital buttons. And here's a pro tip from the manual. Use about 25 degrees Fahrenheit lower than conventional oven recipes and reduce time by 20 to 25%. So if a recipe says 350 degrees for 25 minutes in an oven, use 325 degrees for 20 minutes in this air fryer. Cleanup is genuinely effortless. The nonstick basket releases everything easily. Even sticky teriyaki chicken wiped clean. I throw the basket in the dishwasher, wipe down the fingerprint-resistant exterior, and I'm done in 30 seconds. The stainless steel construction looks premium on any countertop. It's sturdy, durable, and built to last. This isn't a flimsy plastic air fryer. It's a serious kitchen appliance. If you're cooking for a family of 4 or more, hosting gatherings frequently, tired of cooking in multiple batches, or you just want the flexibility to cook large portions for meal prep, this 8.5 capacity is the upgrade you need. Don't miss out. Grab yours today using the link in the description below. The Miraston 8-point quart air fryer has completely changed how I approach family dinners. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for more honest kitchen appliance reviews. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the first big family meal you'd cook in this? Sunday roast chicken? Party wings? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.